Epomaker. They made a full-size keyboard and it's got a screen on it. It's pretty cool, huh? It's hot swappable, so if you don't want the screen, then you can just take it off. It's got 103 keys. It's got hot swappable PCB, a 1.54-inch large screen, tri-mode connectivity, and it's got PBT keycaps. Very exciting. The first time I saw this was at CES, and Agnes showed it to me. She's one of the people that I work with over at Epomaker. Big shout out to her. They showed this to me before it was released, and then they were like, well, you want to make a video on it when it comes out? And I was like, yes. And so anyways, here it is. I thought, you know, Epomaker CES video. If you guys haven't seen that yet, you want to see the Epomaker CEO, she's in that video. She's a super cool lady. Anyways, let's take a look at the box. Whoa. Whoa. I forgot it's retro. Look at it. It's got that retro vibe. We get 5 extra switches. I can't count. 6 extra switches. Okay, so for the switches, you can get 2 different types. You can either get the creamy jade switches or the sea salt silent V2 switches. So if you want a silent switch, you can get those. These are not the silent switches. These are the creamy jade switches. If you want to hear what a sea salt silent switch sounds like, I have one on this keyboard right here on the wall, actually. Versus we get some extra keycaps in case you don't like the little green ones. We get a cable. It's got some like gold plating on the ends, which makes it feel like extra premium, you know? And it's white and braided. Okay, one more thing. A keycap and switch puller. And that's all the stuff in the box. Let's take a look at the keyboard and get all this plastic off of it. Dang. Wow, it looks kind of cool with the plastic on it. Okay, it looks like it's like on display or something. Wow, there it is. Whoa, I really like the edge. What even is that? Look at it. It's like typewriter. Whoa, I like it. I don't know how to explain it, but look, it's like got that curve on it, you know what I mean? But it looks interesting. Like I've never seen a keyboard like this. Whoa. I wonder how you, wow. I was gonna say, I wonder how you take out the screen. And this is volume knob. And you can click it in. Nice. This is what you get on the back. You got nice rubber feet. They're silicone, I guess. Wow, you get 5 of them. It says push for the dongle. There it is. Wow. And then I didn't really show the top at all, but just the on-off switch and a Type-C port. And that's it. There you go, the Epomaker RT100 PRO. First impressions, this thing's pretty mint. I like it. I can't wait to turn it on and see what it really looks like. I wonder if it'll just... Whoa. It did it. I did it to him. Sorry, the screen's a little dim, but I'm sure we can adjust it in the settings. Wow, you know, because it looks so retro, you wouldn't expect it to have RGB in it, and then bam, there's the RGB. Okay, let's do a quick sound test on this. So now we're just going to set this up at the setup and take a look at all the RGB modes and stuff and turn the lights down a little bit so we can really see it and test it out in a game. So I'll see you there. Okay, so we have the RT100 PRO. Got a little wrist rest or whatever. Let's plug it in. Okay, here we go. Which one is that? Bluetooth? Okay, we're in wired mode. You turn it off to go wired. Makes sense. Brightness. Up all the way. Or we can turn it down. I prefer it brightest. We also have speed adjustment. This is slow. That's the fastest. Let's take a look at the modes. Snake. We got like a multicolored splash. Got like a meteor. All right, one of my all-time faves. Oh, that one's sick. Okay, that's everything. Heck yeah, there's the screen. Hello? Oh, it's not gonna focus, huh? That's fine. I didn't need that anyways or whatever. Now that you guys have seen the RGB and stuff, you know, it's kind of optional if you want to download like drivers and take a look at their software. There's like a QR code for it in the box, or you could look it up online on their website. It's like default set to 1000 hertz polling rate, which is really all I need for gaming. And I like to control it with just the buttons sometimes. You know, keyboards that have that to offer, I tend to use it. So let's test this thing out and see if it's cool. You know, play retro keyboard, play a game that would never have existed in the time of retro keyboard. It's the best. Come here, buddy. Yeah! 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 Oh, we're at the beach. Oh, no. Oh, no! Wait, this game is so much fun! Hey, where am I right now? Where am I right now? What is this or whatever? Hello? I'm so scared. They're everywhere. Is that a bird? Ah! Got him. Nailed him. I've learned my lesson. Automatic weapons only. That guy's flying. Well, he's met his match. What am I looking at right now? Hey, man. How did that not hit? Does he have a rocket launcher? Where'd he go? Oh my god, what's that sound? I'm so scared. Where is he? Oh, that was so much fun. I'm ready to cook these fools again. Oh, it's because this same dude's been sitting here. They've been sitting on here all day, huh? No wonder I'm getting cooked. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me up here. Hey, bro. What's up? Hey, yo! Witty Octopus is not fucking around. That's all I know. Oh, no. I'm scared. No! Dude, this guy is so good! I am on default sense, so I blame that. Hey, bro. I got him. I'm a hero. I'm reloading. Chill. Wait, time out. Wait, I'm out of ammo, bro. The movement in this game is kind of insane. Hey! Who was that? No, sir. No, sir, Bob. It's funny because you thought I was reloading, but I wasn't. Got him. Yeet. I'm gonna regret bragging about that.
Freaking witty octopus, man. He's literally him. Where is he? That wasn't him. It wasn't the octopus. Where's the octopus guy? Hey, bro. Hey! Hey! Stop! Stop! No. I'm literally behind the frisbee. There's no way you even hit me, dude. There's no way, bro. Sometimes the world calls for a hero. Who am I shooting at? Ah! No! Ah! Get him. Come back out, buddy. Hey, man, not cool, dude. That was close. Oh. Uh-oh. Banana. Banana. I got him! Oh, he's not gonna like that. He killed me in the middle of saying get cooked. Well deserved. Where'd he go? Where is it? Whoa. Uh-oh. I'm out of here. I'm him. No! I'm not him! You know what? Where'd he go? Oh, come back. No, where'd he go? What? He ran away. Get back here. Get. No! This guy's got a bodyguard? I'm going up here. You guys can't stop me. And you can't see me. Hey! Ah! Okay, I'm leaving. That was actually a jump scare. I'm not proud of that. Where is that son of a bitch? That son of a bitch, where'd he go? I see you. I see you, you piece of shit. No! Yeah, that guy was good. Anyways, so that was Epomaker RT100 Pro. It's freaking sick. Take a look at it. Isn't it awesome? Admit it. If you like it, I'll leave a link for it in the description. You can check it out for yourself. I don't know what else to say. If you're into the retro vibe, it's definitely the new thing. Isn't it funny how retro is the new thing? Does that even make any sense? I don't know. But it was really good. I really like it. Tech Reviewer of the Year 2026. It's really good. I like it. No, it just felt really responsive during gaming. It didn't let me down. The only thing that let me down during the gaming was my skill itself. Volume knob work, and it feels nice and heavy. It just feels like a unit. I don't know how to explain it, but it's definitely an impressive keyboard. And huge shout out to the people that made it. Huge shout out to the screen. It's definitely something cool and new. Keep making keyboards like this, Epomaker. You guys cooked. That's pretty much all I have to say. So I hope to see you guys in the next tech review. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. It really means a lot to me. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.